Hello, hello. Welcome back to Easy English. My name is Prashanto. I am your teacher, and I am very happy today.
Hello, Prashanto. You sound very happy. Hello, listeners. My name is Mina. I am a student.
I am happy because our listeners are doing great. Are you ready to learn something new, Mina? Episode 3. This, that, these, and those. Part 1. The fun start.
Yes, Prashanto. Today, I want to learn how to point at things. Sometimes I don't know the word for this or that.
Mina, we will go very slowly. Listeners, let's start the fun.
Part 2. This and that. Singular. One thing.
Okay, Mina, look at my hand. I have a pen. It is very close to me. I say, this is a pen.
This is a pen. Because it is near you?
Yes, when something is near or close, we use this. Repeat after me, listeners. This. This is a pen.
Okay, I have a phone in my hand, so I say this is a phone.
Correct. Now, Mina, look at that chair over there. It is far from us. I say, that is a chair.
Ah, so for something far, we use that.
Exactly. Repeat after me, listeners. That. That is a chair.
Let me practice. This is a book. That is a tree.
Very good. You are a fast learner. Let's practice with the listeners. Near, this, far, that.
Part 3. These and those. Plural. Many things.
Now, Mina, what if I have 2 pens in my hand? Not 1, but 2.
Do I still say this?
No. For many things near us, we use these. These. These are pens.
These are pens. Repeating. These.
And if those chairs are far away, many chairs?
I think I know. Is it those?
Yes, you got it. Those are chairs.
Okay, let me repeat. These, many things near me. Those, many things far from me.
Correct. Listeners, let's practice the plural words. Repeat after us. These are apples.
Those are birds.
Part 4. Spoken English practice. Conversation. Let's play a game, Mina. I will point and you say the sentence.
Okay, I am ready.
This is a cup.
Those are stars. They are very far.
Very good. These are books.
That is a car.
You are perfect, Mina. Now, listeners, your turn. I will tell you if it is near or far. You say the sentence. One cat near. This is a cat. One sun far. That is the sun. Many flowers near. These are flowers. Many clouds far. Those are clouds.
This was fun. Let's review one more time so I don't forget.
Okay, let's make it simple. This, one thing, near. That, one thing, far. These, many things, near. Those, many things, far.
I will remember. This and these are my friends here. That and those are my friends over there.
That is a great way to remember. Part 6, homework time. Homework.
What is the homework today, Prashanto?
Today, look around your room. Find one thing near you and say, this is a pen. Find one thing far from you and say, that is a pen. Find many things near you and say, these are pens. Find many things far from you and say, those are pens.
I will do my homework too. I will say, this is my teacher and those are my fans.
Very good, Mina. Listeners, please write your sentences in the comment section of our channel, English with Prashanto.
Yes, we want to read your sentences.
Warmly, thank you for listening. Practice every day and English will be your friend.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you in the next episode.